Hi guys, this video is going to help you to install and configure DreamVilla multi-property WordPress theme inside your local machine. We will show you how to install WordPress and then how to install and activate DreamVilla multi-property theme inside that. So I hope you have downloaded our DreamVilla theme, and after that we have a WordPress setup also with us. Now first we are going to extract this WordPress in this folder, and once it is extracted, this will help us to configure our WordPress on our local host. Once extraction is done, just make sure that inside this folder you have all these files which are required for WordPress. Now this particular folder I'm going to rename it to some meaningful name. I'm giving demo, and this folder I'm going to copy from this location. I'll go to my www directory of my PHP, and then I'm going to paste it here. Once I paste this thing, this will be connected with my local host. After this, to check this is working or not, we are just going to open a browser, and inside this we are going to type localhost. You can see this is showing me that my WAMP server is working fine. Now we are going to put /demo after this, and the moment I do this, this will hit that WordPress which is inside that. You can see it's asking me the language which I need to select. I'm keeping English United States by default, and I'm going to click on continue. Once I'm done with this, this is going to show me that in my next screen we need a database name, username and password and all this thing. Before I move forward to this, I need to create a dummy database first. So we'll go to PHP myadmin, and inside this we are going to create a new database. Suppose the dummy database name we are giving demo_video. I want you to remember this name because this name will be useful when we are going to configure our demo website. I'm going to click on create. You can see it's showing me database with this name has been created. Once this is created, we are ready to deal with the WordPress. Coming back to this, and I'm going to click on let's go. It's asking me database name. I'm specifying demo_video, and the username for that particular database will be root. This will be always default like this only. We do not want any password, and I don't want to change anything in my local host and table prefix. We are going to click on submit. You can see once we have provided all this thing, it's having a button run the install. Once we do this thing, this is going to install this thing inside this. It's asking me my site title, my username and password and all this thing. We are specifying my site title will be DreamVilla. My username will be also DreamVilla. And I do not want this kind of password because I'm not able to remember this. I'm going to specify that my password will be also DreamVilla. It's a weak password, so we have to checkmark this, that confirm we want to use a weak password. In actual case, you can keep that particular complicated password also if you want, but I'm just specifying this thing because I want very simplicity in this. In email, we can specify any email. We are giving demo@gmail.com. We are going to click on install WordPress. It is asking me you want to save this password. I'm saying yes, save this password. We are going to click on login. And once this kind of page is visible, it means our WordPress is ready for this. Now next thing is we need to apply our DreamVilla theme inside this, and before that we'll go to this and we'll click on visit site. You can see that this one is having a default look and feel of a WordPress, and this is not having any funky thing inside that. If I go back to my dashboard, you can see in this there are certain options for themes. If I want to deal with the themes of this particular site, I need to go to appearance and I need to click on themes. You can see by default we have this 16, 15 and 14, these three themes available from WordPress. Next step is we are going to add our DreamVilla multi-properties theme inside this. So I'm going to click on add new. You can search themes from online also, and in that also you can get a DreamVilla multi-properties theme. But in my case, I have already downloaded that. So I'm going to click on upload theme. I'm going to click on choose file, and I'm going to select my DreamVilla multi-properties theme. I need to click on install now. This installation will take some moments. You can see it's showing me theme installed successfully. Now I'm going to click on return to theme page. And you can see that now my fourth theme, which is my DreamVilla multi-property theme, is now added inside this. I'm going to click on activate. Before you activate this, you can see that this theme requires this following plugins which should be there. In my case, I'm going to click on begin the installing plugins because we need these plugins. I'm going to check mark both, and I'm going to select install and apply. You can see in my case, my DreamVilla multi-property theme is installed successfully. But somewhere we got the error to download and to get the plugin, which is actually this Redux framework. If this is not downloading automatically, we need to copy and paste this URL in a browser and we can install that manually. In my case, I have already downloaded this. So I'm going to click on plugins. You can see DreamVilla multi-property is already installed, but the Redux framework is not there. So we'll click on add new, upload plugin. We'll click on choose file and we'll select that Redux plugin and we'll click on install now. Once we are done with this, this will show me that this plugin is successfully installed. Like this, and now we can return to plugin page. You can see my DreamVilla multi-property and my Redux framework both are installed successfully. Now we are going back to our themes page. My DreamVilla theme is now activated also and it is installed also successfully. Next thing is we need to begin activating plugins. So our plugins are installed, but it's not activated. Let me click on this. I'm going to check mark my both the plugins and we're going to select activate. I'm going to click on apply. And it's showing me that the following plugins were activated successfully. Once we're done with this, we are again back to our themes. And now you can see that inside these themes, our DreamVilla theme is listed. And if you see the left side section, we have number of new customized properties inside this. And somewhere you can see we have photo gallery, we have what people say, we have services. And now if I click on theme options, you can see we are getting theme options for the DreamVilla multiple property theme. And inside this we have different sections at the left side of this particular appearance page by which we can change and we can customize our theme appearance. We'll do this thing in the next part of the video. Thank you.